Hey, what's up, Kibiniro? Uh, Hold on a second here. Actually, have uh, this is a how can I say? It's a secret business opportunity, and the reason why it's a secret, I can't speak about it, is because there's a lot of controversy out there. There's a lot of negativity, but nevertheless, it's an opportunity that you can make money, and you can make money quietly without doing a lot. And it's about advertising, right? Uh, it's about basically what it is all about is about renting advertising space, and you rent, no, you use this company, right, to rent advertise. You give the company your money, and they take your money and rent advertising space somewhere on someone website, right? Then when advertisers advertise on that space, you get to share the revenues within yourself and the company. So that's basically how it works. So this one, I'm not gonna say anything about the name or whatever it is. This is a private invitation only, and if you're interested, you have, first of all, you have to click on the link below this video, get on my mailing list. But when you click on the link in the video, you're going to be to get to another business presentation, which you can use to market whatever it is that you're marketing as well. But this is not that business. This is not something that you really need to do anything about. Well, you can help other people, individuals, to get started and earn some credit that way, but you don't necessarily need to market this and buy to market these products so that for you to make money. So if you're interested in learning more about this, click on the link below this video to get started today. Peace.